So we are now on chapter number 13, wrapping it up. Congratulations. That concludes lesson number 3. Let's recap. We have added a way to update our cryptocurrencies contracts. We have learned to protect core functions with only honor. We have learned about cache and cost optimization. We added levels and cooldowns to our zombies. We now have functions to update zombie name and DNA once the zombie gets above a certain level. And finally, we now have a function to return a user zombie army. As a reward for completing lesson number 3, both of our zombies have leveled up, and now that no name, the kitty zombie you created in lesson number 2 is upgraded to level 2, you can call and change the name. Lesson 2 zombie. No name no more. Go ahead and give no name a name, then proceed to the next chapter to complete this lesson. Okay, so we have set it a new name. So that's it from the chapter number 13. Now let's move on to chapter number 14.